Hi, this is VisiPro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage access and devices on Netflix. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Manage Access Devices page shows you details about sign-in devices that have been recently active on the account. You can also use it to sign out of these devices. Devices may take up to 48 hours to appear on this page. Not all devices signed in into the account will be shown, and complete information may not be shown for all devices. For example, the page won't show devices that haven't been active in the last 90 days, have only been used to play Netflix games, or have only been used to access to them. So how to manage the devices that connect with your Netflix account? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Netflix. Now you can just go to your settings by tap on my Netflix in here on the bottom left or bottom right here. You can tap on the upper right corner the three lines over here. Tap on account. Now you can just scroll down and you'll find on the security and privacy section there is an option manage access and devices. You can just tap on that. So here's all the device that log in into your Netflix account. If you want to sign out from this device, you can just choose on here. There is an option sign out. You can just tap on sign out. So the device now sign out from your Netflix account. Or you can just sign out all of the device. So simple, right? So that is how to manage access and devices on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.